Alright, so I'm going to go through this quick video to show you how to access the assignment. So if when I'm clicking through this, if you aren't able to still do this, then you're going to have to call the help desk. So you're going to go over to the left here and you're going to click on where it says lessons and activities. You're going to see this screen that shows the folders. So you're going to click on week 3. And then up here, this is the objective. So then you're going to click here where it says Chapter 2 Effective Communications for Supervisors. And then here it's just going to click through the activities that you have to do. So there it's telling you to read the chapter, do the PowerPoints, practice quiz, and then here's where you're going to upload your assignment. So this is where the review questions are. You're going to click on Browse Computer. Once you click on that, you'll just find the file of the assignment where you want. You're going to click on Open, and then it's going to upload, and then once you see that, you'll see the assignment here, and then you're going to click Submit. If you have any further questions, or first of all, if you don't have access to this, you're going to have to call the help desk. If you're still confused, you'll have to set up some time to come in and actually meet with me. And I can show you how to, I guess, access that. But typically when you're taking an online class, you should be pretty familiar with Blackboard already. So I will send this out to you.